Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to reduce the screen battery consumption on your device. Okay, so this video will show how display settings affect battery life. Okay, simply go to your settings, tap on the option display. First of all, you need to reduce the brightness. Okay, so it will reduce the screen if you enable or if you set the higher brightness, then it will reduce the screen battery consumption. Okay, and also you need to disable the screen saver option on your device. Okay, so simply in this way we can reduce the screen battery consumption by adjusting the brightness and disable the screensaver can save the power. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.